Hello everyone, I just wanted to take a video of the second snowstorm in less than a week that we're having here in Cumberland. Today's February 9th, 2010. If you look around, you'll see that we have about 2 feet of snow already. And this storm today is supposed to bring between 6 and 12 inches on top of the 2 feet we have already. Snowfall in the region ranged from 20 inches in places around Cumberland up to maybe 40 inches in places out in Garrett County, and 36 inches reported from Frostburg. So we're talking major snowfall on the ground already, with about a foot possible to go on top of that. This is just crazy conditions. Let you take a look down the street. It's snowing very hard. This is Pennsylvania Avenue where I live. Stop and take a look here. Can really see the flakes coming down. Can see mounds of snow all piled up. Believe it or not, there's a car under there. So people are still trying to dig out from the last storm. Now we got more snow on the way, coming down right now. I really enjoy it. I gotta say that I love having this much snow. We always got a lot of snow where I grew up in northwestern PA. A lot of lake effect snow, not always this much, but we would often get enough to go snowshoeing in the wintertime, and we would use snowshoes when we'd go hunting and hiking in the wintertime. There's definitely enough snow on the ground right now to go snowshoeing. Right now we're going to move through the parking lot of the South Cumberland Library. They got it pretty well cleared, but when you look closely, you can see we've probably got 2 to 3 inches on the ground already from this snow, because this parking lot was cleared earlier today. Take a look at this hedgerow. Just look at those mounds of snow sitting on top of the bushes. Look at the library. Take a walk down the back alley here, and it's partially cleared, but still lots of snow. Oh, it's pretty deep actually back here. Take a look. My feet are completely covered. Swing around and take a look at the back side of my apartment. This is icy underneath the snow here. Take a look. Here's my apartment. Back stairwell just filled with snow. Can barely even see the bird feeder that's hanging up there. It's snowing pretty hard. Lots of icicles. Well, I think that's about it for now. Snow's gonna keep coming down, and I will get back to you tomorrow with our total snowfall. So have a good night, and everybody be safe.